Data is generated by systems. The best way to understand data is to quickly map the system that created the data or the system the data describes. To describe the system, add a task from the DescribeDomain class and then press Open Session. You can create a detailed domain tree in a very fast manner. Start with the target of the analysis. This will be your top-level object. In this case, a car. Then add its subparts like the electrical systems and batteries. For every part or subpart, ask, what is measured about this part? Add the measured elements as property. In this case, the domain expert told us that we measure voltage in amperes of the battery. Note that this view reflects the way a business or operation expert sees the world. This data is not necessarily saved or exists in your dataset. Let's take customer as another example. Use double-click to change a name or right-click on an entity for any other action. You can also add processes that are done by the different objects in order to have a complete picture. The starting process in this case is done by the battery. To reflect the relationship between batteries and starting, simply drag a link from batteries to starting. Next, you need to select the type of link. Is starting runs in the batteries? In any other case, just select Effects. Right-click on batteries or starting and select Connections Graph to see that these entities are connected. You can delete the relationship between entities by right-clicking on the entity and selecting Mapping Dialog. Each property you created is a hint that you need to find the data source in which this attribute is kept. While in the editor, you can create additional tasks by pressing the left bar. How detailed should your tree be? Well, if you detail more, you may